Hello students, how are you? I am fine. I am your Soma ma'am. Please stay at home safely. Today we'll learn some good manners which help all of you to maintain social protocol. Number 1. When you asking for something to any person, then first use the word please. When you asking for something to any person, then first use the word please. For example, please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. Number 2. When you receiving something from any person, then you have to say thank you. When you receiving something from any person, then you have to say thank you. For example, you receive some chocolate from your dad, then you say to him thank you. You receive some chocolate from your dad, then you say to him thank you. Number 3. When somebody is talking with you or any other else, then you should keep mum unless any emergency. When somebody is talking with you or any other else, then you should keep mum unless any emergency. Number 4. If you need to talk any person and it also necessary to you, then you must start with the word excuse me. If you need to talk any person and it also necessary to you, then you must start with the word excuse me. For example, excuse me ma'am, can I go to outside for playing? Excuse me ma'am, can I go to outside for playing? Number 5. When you have doubts about doing something, then you might have asked permission first. When you have doubts about doing something, then you might have asked permission first. For example, may I come in? May I come in? That's all today. We will meet soon. Bye bye. Take care.